Children listen, this is chapter number 6, application of derivatives. We are starting miscellaneous exercise on chapter number 6. Question number 1, show that the function f of x equal to something as maximum at x equal to e. So we have a maximum value at x equal to e, we have to prove. Okay, first you take f of x is equal to log x divided by x we have. We have to differentiate to find the x value. We have to differentiate to find a x value. Okay, don't want to find x value given here. Only at this value, this is make maximum we have to say. That's it. It means in double derivative when you substitute x equal to e, you will be getting less than 0. That's it. Okay. First I am finding f dash of x which is equal to the formula u divided by v whole dash I am going to use. That is u dash v minus u v dash divided by what pa? V square. So that x square in denominator first and numerator what na? U dash. U dash in the sense what ma? Log x you have to differentiate. What is derivative of log x ba? 1 by x, and v means x you write as it is. Okay, minus u means log x into v dash na x you have to differentiate. Derivative of x 1. That's it. Simplified Raja. Here numerator denominator x is cancelled. Then 1 minus log x divided by x square is our required f dash of x. Suppose if you put equal to 0 also, you will be getting the x value e only. Okay, suppose if you are substituting f dash of x equal to 0, you will be getting the same x equal to e only. So that limit will go to find a double derivative. Double derivative of x, this is let it be answer number 1. Now I am finding double derivative. Again I am differentiating. So that denominator what it will be ba? X square the whole square. X square the whole square as per the formula. Numerator we have to differentiate. 1 derivative 0 minus log derivative 1 by x into v in the sense x square you should write as it is. Okay, minus 1 minus log x I am writing as it is, and denominator when you differentiate what I am getting, x square when you differentiate 2x. That's it. Now what is possible to cancel, you can do it. 1x will cancel, remaining 1 will be there, and what is that, minus x minus 1 minus log x into 2x divided by x power 4. Okay, now this is what f double dash of x. Minus if you take outside now, what I am getting, minus of, not only minus, even you can take minus x outside. Then 1 plus 1 minus log x into 2 you will be getting, because x is taken outside, divided by x power 4 na. You can cancel what, 1x, 1 here, remaining this will be there. Okay, now what is the balance pa? Let's go here. This is f double dash of, now you can substitute the x value. X value what? E. X value what? E. E you substitute minus 1 plus log, 1 plus 1 minus log e into 2 divided by x power 3. X power 3 na e power 3. Okay, so that what you will be getting, minus of 1 plus 1 minus, what is the log e value pa? Log e value what ma? 1. Log e base e what you can say? 1. Log e base e you can say 1. But base e not there, sir. Base e not there also, you have to consider there is a base e. Understand? So that it will be 1 into 2 divided by e power 3, which is equal to minus of 1 minus 1 is 0, limit 0 into 2, that is also 0. Then 1 divided by e power 3, which will be less than 0. Double derivative less than 0 na, what we can say pa? It's then x equal to e is a maxima. Therefore, then x equal to e is maxima. That is maximum value if you want to know, you will be getting there. Then what is that, maximum value? Maximum value at x equal to e is, that is you have to substitute in the function. So what you will be getting? What you will be getting? What you will be getting? Log e divided by x value e again. Log e base 1 I said e. So 1 by e is the maximum value at x equal to e. This is 2 mark question pa. Have you understand ma? See, sometimes they may ask in MCQ also. Okay, MCQ and all if they ask na, you don't want to worry. Directly take x value, substitute here. You will be getting the maximum value. That's enough. MCQ na, directly you can substitute. 2 mark na, all the steps you want to do properly. Next question number 2. Write fast. Ma, close that window ma. For next question number 2. Question number 2 will go. Ma, listen. 2 also one of the important, or 2 mark or 3 mark they will be asking. The two equal sides of isosceles triangle. Listen carefully. Isosceles triangle na, there is a two equal sides, I'm right. So that I am taking one isosceles triangle with two equal sides. I am taking these two are equal sides. A, B, C here. A, B equal to AC. I am taking. So two equal sides of an isosceles triangle with fixed base. Base equal to B, it seems. Base equal to what ma? B they gave. Are decreasing. Listen carefully. Two equal sides of isosceles triangle are decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Means the two equal sides you take x. Listen, two equal sides you take what, my dear? X. The two equal sides are decreasing, it seems. Two equal sides are what happened pa? Decreasing with the fixed base. So that what is dx divided by dt, which is equal to decreasing na, you should take minus 3 centimeter per second. Okay, that is given pa. Next, how fast area decreasing when two equal sides equal to the base. Listen carefully. We have to find area. How fast area decreasing when x is equal to b. What they said, when two equal sides are equal to the base. The two equal sides I have taken what ma? X. When x equal to b, what is the area decreasing? That is the question. Okay, shall we go to Raja? First, see, perimeter you have to find. Raja, perimeter na x plus b, which is equal to what ma? 2 times x plus b. Okay, semi perimeter means p by 2, which is equal to 2x plus b divided by 2, which is equal to x plus b divided by 2. This is s value. S minus a if you find na, a means any one of the side. Okay, this is a side, this is b side, this is c side, like that. A means any one of the side. Understand? So that x plus b by 2, a means any one side. First side if I take this, second side, third side. Na, first side a I am taking. A value what then? X equal to b by 2 you will be getting. S minus b equal to s value x plus b by 2. This is what ba? Plus b. When I apply here, x minus b by 2 I am getting. S minus c is equal to x plus b by 2. C na third side, that is also x. X cancel na, again b by 2 I'm getting. Why am you finding all those things na? Area of triangle, have you remember pa? Area of triangle, because area only they said decreasing, okay. Then area of a triangle which is equal to, if you are using 1 by 2 base into height also, okay, that is also you can use. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, if you draw one line, h you can find very easily. That is also you can use. Yeah, Heron's formula I'm using here. You can go, that is also. So square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Understand? Now what I'm getting, s value what pa? X plus b by 2. X plus b divided by 2 into s minus a na b by 2. Okay. S minus b in the sense x minus b by 2. X minus c na again b by 2. Right, fine. So b by 2 coming twice. From the 2, 1 you can take outside from the root. So that 1 b by 2 is coming. Now this is a plus b, a minus b na. What you can say? A square minus b square or b square divided by 4 you will be getting. This is area of a triangle. A I will mention. Okay, area of triangle na A I will mention. So what we have to find na, what is that? By what is the dA by dt we have to find. What, my dear? dA by dt. So that we have to differentiate this dA by dt. Here b is the variable, sorry, x is the variable. Yeah, x is the variable, b is the constant. Okay, so that differentiate with respect to what is that, x on both sides. So that what I am getting, dA divided by, sorry, with respect to t, okay, dA divided by dt is equal to, b is a multiply constant, let it be as it is. So root when you differentiate, what you will be getting pa? 1 divided by 2 into square root of x square minus b square divided by 4 multiply. Inside when you differentiate, x square when you differentiate 2x into x when you differentiate dx divided by dt minus constant when you differentiate 0. That's it. You have to simplify this. Okay. Okay, you have to apply everything whatever you have now. And they said x is equal to b, x equal to b. That also you, what is that, you can substitute. What is that? Instead of x you can substitute b. Okay, or x and all b or b and all x, whatever. Suppose if I'm replacing x, b let it be as it is. X and all you replace as okay, b. So that x square, if I'm writing as b square na, what I'm getting, b square minus b square divided by 4 multiply 2 times x value as a b into dx by dt, what they gave, minus 3. What they gave pa? Minus 3. That's it. Now you can simplify everything. So finally what I'm getting, dA by dt which is equal to b divided by 2. You can write that 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So that 1 not 1, b divided by 4, b divided by 4 multiply this together. When you multiply 3 2s are 6, that is minus 6 b. Okay, minus 6 divided by b. And denominator, what is that? The 4 and all, if you take cross multiply, what I'm getting, 4b square minus b square na 3b square. 3 times b square divided by 4 within a root. Now you can cancel this ma. What is that? 1 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are. So what I'm getting, balance pa? Minus 3 b into b square divided by 2 we have here. And if you take a square root for this na, 3 we don't have root, leave it. But b and 4 we have a root as b by 2. Okay, this one you can mention. Whatever possible to cancel, you can cancel now. 1b cancel. Now the, what is that, 3 you can write what pa? Root 3 into root 3. So that 3 you can write root 3 into root 3 into b divided by root 3 na. 1 root 3 will be cancelled. So minus root 3 b is our area. Listen, area, sir, area of decreasing we got a minus. Yes, minus na, it is a meaning decrease. Okay, therefore area is decreasing. Area is decreasing at at root 3b, what is that, centimeter per second, sorry, area means square, centimeter square per second. Okay, that's it. This is our required answer. Shall we go next, pa? Write fast. Ma, these things that you do in a since. Ma, I have used here, what is that Heron's formula? If you are using a Pythagoras theorem to drawing the line, also you can go, not an issue. Okay. Do it fast, pa. This is either 2 mark or 3 mark they will be asking. Okay. Be careful. Ma, question number 3 will go. Is anyone writing from boy side? Girl side? Question number 3. This is about what actually increasing, decreasing. Increasing, decreasing. Children, listen. Find the interval. They are asking interval which the function increasing and decreasing. For increasing, decreasing word, if you have seen now, what we have to do the f of x pa? Differentiate. Very good. So take the f of x, which they gave 4 sin x minus 2x minus x into cos x minus x into cos x divided by whole divided by 2 plus cos x. Okay, right, children, you want to use u divided by v formula. U divided by v whole dash is equal to u dash v minus u v dash divided by v square. One more thing here you can notice, that is uv, x into cos x. Then uv formula also you want to use, so that uv whole dash is equal to u dash v plus u v dash. This both the formula I am going to use. So listen carefully, pa. So they differentiate with respect to x. Now what I am getting, f dash of x, which is equal to denominator. Raja, denominator I have what is that, 2 plus cos x whole square. 2 plus cos x whole square. Now numerator we have differentiate as per this u dash v. Okay, u dash na numerator you have to differentiate. 4 into sin derivative what na cos x. Okay, x derivative 1 leave it, minus 2 into x derivative what 1 leave it then. Okay, leave it then, minus, sir, this is uv format. I said uv format, I said. So this is u, this is v. What is that, open bracket, in the bracket itself you want to do uv, this formula, uv formula. Okay, right, what is that, u derivative means x derivative 1 cos, let it be as it is. Okay, then x you keep it as it is, cos derivative minus sign, so that minus I gave in front, that's it. This is the, but this is what ma, now this is fully what my dear, u dash. This is fully what ma, u dash in the formula. U dash in the formula. Into v you should give. What my dear? Into v you should give. Into v, which means overall, put a bracket, v means what? 2 plus cos x minus u. U means you write as it is whatever we have in the numerator, 4 sin x minus 2x x into cos x into v dash. V dash na denominator you have to differentiate. 2 derivative 0, cos derivative minus sin x. I hope you understand here. Have you understand, my dear? Is it okay? Right. Now we are going to take this negative, put inside. Step by step we'll go. And what is this, 4 cos x minus 2, minus if I take inside na, 1 into cos x minus into minus plus x sin x into 2 plus cos x. Later you have to multiply 2 plus cos x here. Okay. Before that you want to simplify, and here the minus sin x you can multiply here. Minus sin x you can multiply, and this minus also. So that this minus and minus positive. Then only sin you multiply enough. Sin. So that 4 sin into sin square x minus 2 x into sin x minus x cos x and one more sin x. That's it. So I multiplied one side, but still I didn't multiply left hand side. So denominator what we have, that you mention carefully. Denominator 2 plus cos x whole square. Boys side keep quiet. From 4x if you subtract this now, 3 cos x you will be getting. What my dear? 3 cos x. So that what I am getting, 3 times cos x minus 2 plus x into sin x. What we do, listen, ma, I will do directly. Can you do directly or step by step will go? Why? Okay. After separate 3 cos x minus 2 plus that I am getting 2 plus cos x. 2 plus cos x. Here anything possible to cancel? Nothing. Let it be as it is. 4 sin square minus 2x into sin x minus x cos x into sin x. Denominator as it is. That is what? 2 plus cos x whole square. Just I subtracted these two. Other than same. Other than remaining and all, what my dear? Same. Right. Now we'll go here. So take 2, multiply inside carefully. Pa. Same manner cos. Understand? 2 when you multiply 6 cos x. What I'm getting? 6 cos x. And 2 2s are 4. 2 x into sin x plus same thing you have to do for cos. Cos also you take and multiply inside like this. Okay, cos also you take, multiply inside, plus 3 cos into cos, cos square x minus 2 cos x plus x into sin x cos x or cos x sin x. This multiplication over. This you write as it is, then remaining. Plus 4 sin square x minus 2 x sin x minus x into cos x and sin x. Denominator same. That means what? 2 plus cos x the whole square. Raja, now you can simplify. Whatever possible to subtract, you do it. Sorry, strike out. This is plus minus cancel. Plus 2x sin x minus 2x sin x cancel again. Double line I will give for a differentiate. Okay. Now okay, then let's start to simplify. Pa. Listen, so what we have here? 6 cos x. Anywhere else we have cos x? Yeah, here one. But that is plus, this is minus. When you subtract both, I am getting 4 cos x. Minus 4 we have here. Let it be as it is. Plus, see children, here we have a 3 cos square. Here we have 4 cos square. So what do you do? This 4 sin square, what do you do? 3 sin square plus 1 sin square. Shall we write like this? We can write, surely I am right. So if you write like that, 3 you can take outside. Listen carefully what I said. So that 3 cos square x plus this 4 sin square, what I am going to write? 3 sin square x plus 1 sin square x. Separately I am writing. Okay, separately I am writing. So denominator what we have? 2 plus cos x whole square. Now see, in this both 3 if you take outside, na, cos square plus sin square, it will be 1. So that 4 cos x. From these two you take 4 outside. 4 outside. What is that? 4 if you take outside na cos x minus 1, okay, plus or else 4 let it be 4 cos x, all right, 4 cos x minus 4 plus 3 let it be sin square cos square what 1 and plus sin square, okay, whole divided by what I am getting here, 2 plus cos x whole square. Now you can notice that 4 cos x, this minus 4 plus 3 if you cancel now you will be getting minus 1 here, and what is this sin square, you can write 1 minus cos square whole divided by what is that part 2 plus cos x whole square, and here also you can cancel what plus 1 minus 1 you can cancel. After cancel what I am getting pa 4 cos x minus cos square x whole divided by 2 plus cos x whole square. If you want to take x you can take outside. This is first derivative, understand, this is what pa first derivative. Actually what they asked, oh just increasing decreasing interval, so first derivative then put equal to 0 you will be getting the x value, okay, put equal to 0. Here I will do equal to 0, okay, so that put f dash of x is equal to 0 for finding the x value. So what I am getting 4 cos x minus cos square x whole divided by 2 plus cos x whole square, which is equal to 0. When you send this opposite everything will become a 0. Now cos x if you take outside na 4 minus cos x which is equal to 0, then cos x equal to 0 and 4 minus cos x equal to 0, 4 minus cos x equal to 0, then 4 equal to cos x I am getting. Is this possible? 4 equal to cos x? 4 equal to cos x impossible, because cos x range what? Minus 1 to plus 1, then it never go more than 1. So this is not possible or impossible, you write. Not possible, since minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to plus 1, okay, then this is accepted. Okay, where you will be getting 0 for cos x pa? Where you will be getting 0 for cos x pa? 90, very good. So that x is equal to cos inverse of 0. Is that only 90 you will be getting 0? 90 and 270, that means pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 you will be getting, these two places you will be getting 0. See, interval is not mentioned na, you have to take one round, that means 0 to 2 pi you have to take. So where you getting 0? 90 and 270, that's it. So now you have to split the interval. Interval is what? 0, 2 pi, what is that? Pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. So in this, how many interval we got? 1, 2, 3. So in the 3 interval, which is increasing, which is decreasing, you have to find. Shall we? Can I have the first page? Have we done the first page, ba? So we have to make a table for this. Increasing, decreasing table. Can I erase the first page, pa? I need a first page. But only we need this. Anyone you tell me later this, okay? Can I hear? Now what we are going? Table. First what ma? Interval. And interval you should write here itself. Interval what? There are three intervals. One 0 to pi by 2, another one pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2, another one 3 pi by 2 comma 2 pi. Okay, this three interval we have to check. First interval, next f dash of x. What is f dash of x? Can you tell me, pa? 4 cos x minus cos square x divided by 2 plus cos x the whole square. Okay, right. This you have to check. And nature of f of x. Nature of f of x. This all we are going to check, pa. Okay, first interval what? 0 to pi by 2. Ma 0 to pi by 2 if I am taking na. Children listen. So what will take 0 to pi by 2? Easy number. Easy number what we can take? Shall we take pi by 3, f of pi by 3, cos 60 I will take. So that 4 pi by, cos pi by 3 what pa? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square na 1 by 4 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Denominator not issue, only numerator is the problem. Right, that also when you cancel 1 time, 2 time, 2 minus 1 by 4 now what you will be getting? 8 minus 1 7 by 4. Denominator let it be. What is that? 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 whole square. This is greater than 0. Greater than 0 na what pa? Increasing. What my dear? Increasing. Don't want to simplify. Only positive or negative you have to check. Positive or a negative you have to check. Understand? Right. Next, pi by 2. 2, 3 pi by 2. Ma pi by 2, 2, 3 pi by 2 what will take? Shall we take pi? Pi will take. That is easy. Okay, pi will take. Cos pi. So pi if I take na 4 into cos pi value what pa? Minus 1. Cos pi value what pa? Minus 1. Cos square na minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square divided by 2 minus 1 whole square, which is equal to minus 4 minus 1 square 1 divided by 2 minus 1 1 square 1 is equal to minus 5. That is less than 0, then decreasing. Then what my dear? Decreasing. Next last interval 3 pi by 2 comma 2 pi. 3 pi by 2 comma 2 pi. In this what will take pa? 3 more than 270 Raja, more than 270, less than 2 2 pi. So any easy number will take. Wait, 3 pi by 2 plus shall we take 45? That means pi by 4 I will take plus pi by 4. Okay, if you give this, what I am getting? 6 pi plus 1 pi divided by 4, which is equal to 7 pi by 4. So I am giving 7 pi by 4. 7 pi divided by 4. Then what I am getting? 4. What is that? Cos of 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 4 minus what is that? 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 whole square. And denominator what we have? 2 plus cos 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 4. That is a whole square. Now listen. Appa, 270 plus theta na, 270 plus theta na, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant positive or negative for cos? Positive. So that for cos positive, but change 270 na change. Then cos means what you will be getting? Sin. Sin pi by 4 you will be getting. Minus sin square pi by 4 you will be getting. 2 plus cos will become sin pi by 4 you will be getting. Okay. The whole square. Now you apply pa. Cos pi by 4 na 1 by root 2. So that 4 divided by root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. See, this is anyway, this is small number half. Here we have 4 by root 2. Anyway, when you subtract, that will be greater than 0. Greater than 0 now, what is the meaning pa? Increasing. So increasing at what all points? What all point? Increasing at first interval and second interval, decreasing at one interval. That's it. So therefore, uh, at 0 comma pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, close the box you close it, okay. 3 pi by 2 comma 2 pi are increasing and pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2 are decreasing. That's it, Raja. This is your final answer for that question. Okay, do it fast. Do it fast, pa. Do it fast, pa. Next question number 4. Those who completed, write question number 4, pa. Have you done this, pa? Completed, pa? Is anyone writing this? Right. Now listen. One more idea I'll give for this one. Without doing steps. If you are very clever, you can go, or else better go with a step. Listen. One more idea I will give. Same answer you will be getting, just idea this is. So listen. In question, what you have to do? Cos, if you take outside now, you will be getting 4 minus cos x divided by 2 plus cos x the whole square. Listen carefully. So denominator always positive when we have a square, not an issue. Positive, it never disturb our answer. Like that 4 minus cos x also never disturb our answer, because cos highest number 1 only, 4 minus 1 3, then also positive. So the disturbance is what? Only cos x. Only what, my dear? Cos x. The cos alone you check enough. Cos alone you check enough. In the first quadrant, what is the cos? What is the cos in the first quadrant? Positive. So greater than 0. So pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Now it contains second quadrant, third quadrant. Who is the cos in second quadrant and third quadrant? Negative. So that cos x is negative in the second quadrant and third quadrant, so that decreasing. Okay. Same manner, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi na. Who is the cos in the fourth quadrant? Positive. Okay. Cos is what, pa? Positive. So that this is greater than 0, so increasing. This is also you can go, they will accept. Understand? But proper steps na, which I gave first, that is proper step. Okay, this is understanding idea. Like any, like 2 mark, if they asking na, this you can use. Or 5 mark na, proper steps you give. 3 mark also you can use idea, not a issue. They will accept surely. Understand? Is it okay or what? If you want, you just mark this also. I'm going next question. So with this question will complete the video. Pa, listen. Ma, listen. Find the intervals which the function f of x. F of x is given. What is that? X cube plus 1 divided by x power 3. X not equal to 0. Increasing, decreasing, we have to find. Okay. In which interval is this, what is that? This will be increasing and decreasing. You have to find. For this, you have to find f dash of x. X cube derivative 3x square. And 1 by x cube derivative what na? Minus 3 divided by x power 4. Okay, denominator, I mean, Raja, 1 divided by x power 3, when you take to numerator x power minus 3, when you differentiate this, what you will be getting? Derivative of x power minus 3, what you will be getting now? Minus 3 will be coming down, x power minus 3 minus 1. That minus 3 into x power minus 4, this minus 4 only we are writing minus 3 divided by x power 4. That is what I have mentioned here directly. Understand? Is it understand? This formula and all I gave it from the beginning time. Beginning time I gave means when I am derivating 5th chapter and all I gave. Now put equal to 0. Put f dash of x is equal to 0. Then what I am getting? 3x square minus 3 divided by x power 4 equal to 0. So that you take cross multiply. 3x power 6 minus 3 divided by x power 4 equal to 0. When you send this x power 4 opposite, that is 0. 3x power 6 is equal to 3 you will be getting. 3 cancel na. X power 6 is equal to what pa? 1. Then x is equal to plus or minus 1 you will be getting. See, power even na, plus or minus 1 you will be getting. Power odd na, whatever it is, as it is you will be getting. When we have a 1. Okay. So power is even. So that surely you will be getting x value plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 na, how you can split the interval pa? Minus infinity to plus infinity, and they said 0 we should not take. 0 alone we should not take, other than we can take. So that minus 1 plus 1. So that interval what? Minus infinity comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1 and 1 comma infinity. Okay. This is my interval. This 3 interval you check in the question where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. Okay. Table first interval f dash of x which is equal to what we have f dash of x 3x square, or else 3 if you taking outside from there na, x square minus 1 divided by x power 4. That's it. And nature of f of x. Nature of f of x, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So first interval what na? Minus infinity comma minus 1. So what number will take pa in this? What number we can take? First interval, what number we can take? Tell me. I'll take minus 2. Okay. F of minus 2 if I take na. 3 into minus 2 square what? 4. 1 divided by minus 2 power 4 na 16. Okay. So that 3 into, see this is 4. Listen, don't want to do many steps. This is what my dear? 4. 4 minus 1 by 16 na. 1 by 16 too small number compared to the 4. So that surely you will be getting positive greater than 0, increasing. Don't want to simplify. Do directly. And from this what we can take? Minus 1 to 1 na. What we can take? What we can take? Minus 1 to 1 na between. 0 we should not allow to take. In question they mentioned. Other than that anything. 0.1 like that. So that f dash of 0.1 3 into 0.1 square na 0.01 minus 1 divided by 0.1 whole power 4 na, after 4 digit 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Aha. Ayyo appa, don't want point pa. I'll go 1 by 2 and all better. What did you say? 1 by 2 I'll give. Between 1 by 2 I'll give. 1 by 2 if I give na, 1 by 2 square 1 by 4. 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole power 4 now 1 by 16. Now what is that? 3 into 1 by 4, 1 by 16 when you take to numerator, that will become 16. So that what you will be getting? 3 into minus, that is less than 0, then decreasing. 16 is a big number compared to 1 by 4 ba. So that 1 to infinity I will take 2. Directly 2 I am taking. So that 3 into 2 square 4. 2 power 4 na 16. again positive. Okay, this is what greater than 0, that is increasing, that's it. Hence first one what increasing, increasing where we are getting first and last, so that increasing minus infinity comma minus 1 and 1 comma infinity. Okay, decreasing, sorry, decreasing na, what is that, minus 1 comma 1 minus 0, because 0 not allowed. Okay, minus 1 comma 1 but 0 not allowed. Okay, that's it. This is the interval for fourth one. Okay pa, in fifth question and all I'll come in the next video, my dear. Thank you pa, take care, see you, bye later, bye pa.